Tice, and I am the owner of Tice Lawn Maintenance, a lawn care business located here in Connecticut. Last year I decided to sell my business and decided to work with IAG. Joe Lieberman and IAG have done an exceptional job of generating interest from multiple buyers and an offer that fits my needs. I've never been through this process before, but I can't say enough good things about them. Joe is extremely professional and really knows his stuff. He walked me through the entire process by working closely with me and guiding me through everything. I'm so happy I chose to work with IAG and Joe, and I can't say enough good things about them. Don't ever hesitate to call them when you're looking to sell your business. And now I'm off to enjoy the fruits of my labor.